I brought Jacalyn by to see her friend Holly, if I don't fall. And the emus. Hey, babies. They're... Now, I know they bite, right?
Not too bad. It's not real painful.
Good. You a bad boy. Why you so bad? Why you so bad? You love her?
I'm getting a hug.
You getting a hug?
Hugs and kisses. Hugs and kisses, yeah. Hugs and kisses.
Oh, Albert is really going to hate we came without him. He's been trying to get over here so bad.
Quit. You're being aggravating.
Oh my God.
That's all right.
They're so sweet. I came by the other day and there was like 6 of your chickens in the middle of the road. I honked the horn and ran them out the road.
Yeah, I know I do.
That's
Now,
a baby I hatched here.
it doesn't hurt when they bite you either. You touch it. I thought it would hurt, but it didn't. The turkeys actually hurt worse than they do.
Piggy, piggy, piggy.
Hey, Mr. Pig. Hey, Mr. Pig.
Piggy, piggy, piggy.
You gonna bite my foot?
She will. She's always horny, so she wants to.
And that's what Pebbles used to be, and root your leg up and down.
That's her. Nobody else does it. Just her.
That's Albert. Go ahead and take care of her. He said, shut up.
Come on, boys.
Yeah, she can have our 4. You want 4 more?
No.
They sleep all day. Hey, you want? You want some love?
Peggy Sue. I love you.
Aw. Oh, look at him. Here they come.
So how did you end up with so many pigs? I didn't realize you had that many.
Well, I bought her as a baby, and she was my house pig for years
Uh-huh.
and years and years, because she just got too big. She's got a hurt shoulder. It's
Uh-huh.
been hurt for about 4 years.
Uh-huh.
But then somebody at the animal control said, I got a baby male pig. Do you want it? And I'm like, only if it's fixed. They said, well, we can fix it.
Uh-huh.
So they fixed it and we got him. And then it wasn't even 2 weeks later, we got one the same age. So that was the Blues Brothers.
The blues.
And did you end up with 2 that we had or something one time?
I don't know.
Or was it Missy?
Missy did.
They ended up with 2. Okay, I knew it was one or the other.
And then
And the daughter has those 2, I think.
Yeah.
Yes.
and then an elderly guy, his wife passed away, and he was going into assisted living, and this was his wife's pig, the white one.
Uh-huh.
So we took her, and I had a friend that had Pippa Pig, and she was moving out of state, so I let her bring Pippa Pig here.
And they're absolutely sweet. I mean, ours are just...
I love them. But that's the heart pig right down
I
there.
want to touch you, but I'm scared you're going to bite the hell out of me.
They feel weird, don't they?
They do feel like Brillo pad. She was shocked to feel the pigs. Because we have a coon and it's like a wire brush.
Yeah.
And they say our pigs are like huge. You see Albert rides them. And I'm always saying, will you stop riding her?
You, my friend.
Jim McCall's lady more eggs.
Not yet.
Those, the ones Michael has their eyes opened yesterday, did he say?
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. He said she needs to find a home for him.
I will. I'll try my best. I've just been so chaos with the horse show.
Oh, I know. I know
After
you're excited.
Tomorrow, there won't be so much chaos in my life.
You could, yeah, that's a pretty baby. What kind of dog is he? She asked me and I didn't know.
Great Pyrenees.
Okay.
So is
sweetie.
that one. Rip! Rip!
Rip said I got a flea right now.
Yeah, I got itch. And how about this other cute little guy?
She's an Australian Shepherd.
Oh. She's sweet too.
Absolutely amazing.
Is she old?
Yeah, she's super old.
Look at the emu
She
looking
used
at
to be
you.
chocolate, now she's turning gray.
Oh. Don't need a job anymore. Oh.
Why did, well, I'll wait till I ask you after I turn this off.